In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello as your planner. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use daily planning board, built from a template and customized to fit your routine. Start on your Trello homepage. Look for the Templates option. It's usually visible in the main navigation. Open the Templates gallery to explore pre-built boards. This is the fastest way to get a solid planning setup without building from scratch. In the Templates gallery, use the search bar and type the word task. This narrows the results to planning and productivity boards. If you see multiple options, don't worry, you can preview any of them before committing. For this walkthrough, look for the Daily Tasks Planner template. Open it to view a description, example lists, and sample cards. This preview helps you understand how the board is structured and whether it aligns with how you like to organize your day. When you're ready, select Use Template. Trello may prompt you to confirm where to create the board. Choose the workspace you use for personal planning or productivity. Keeping your planning board in the right workspace makes it easy to find and access later. Next, give your new board a clear, descriptive title. A name like Daily Planner or Today's Tasks works well, but feel free to make it more specific to your context. A helpful title makes it faster to locate the board from your home screen or mobile app. Click Create, and Trello will generate your board using that template. You'll land directly on your new board, pre-populated with lists and example cards. Now it's time to edit the template so it matches your style. Rename lists to reflect your workflow. Many people like Today, In Progress, and Done, or Morning, Afternoon, and Evening. Open each sample card, replace the placeholder text with your real tasks, and delete anything you don't need. Add due dates and set reminders so Trello nudges you before deadlines. Use labels to categorize tasks by priority or context, such as high priority, errands, or deep work. Inside a card, consider adding a checklist for multi-step tasks. This keeps everything in one place and gives you a satisfying way to track progress. As you work, drag cards between lists to reflect their status, and archive completed items to keep the board clean. That's it, you've turned a template into a tailored daily planning system. Revisit this board each morning to plan and each evening to review. With a few minutes of upkeep, Trello becomes a simple, powerful planner you'll actually use.